Are you tired of kitchen faucets that look good online but feel cheap once installed? Today, I'm taking a close look at the GIMILI kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, a stainless steel faucet designed for kitchens, farmhouses, RVs, and even outdoor setups. Stick around till the end because I'll tell you who this faucet is really for and whether it's worth your money or not. Product features. The GIMILI kitchen faucet is built with high-quality stainless steel, giving it strong resistance against rust and corrosion, especially important in humid kitchens or outdoor environments. It comes in a brushed nickel finish, which looks clean, modern, and resists fingerprints better than glossy finishes. One of the standout features is the pull-down sprayer with 2 water modes. Stream mode, perfect for filling large pots quickly. Spray mode, which helps rinse dishes, vegetables, and sink corners without splashing. The faucet includes a flexible retractable hose that smoothly extends and reaches every corner of the sink, making cleanup much easier, especially for deep or farmhouse-style sinks. Size-wise, it's very practical. 18.5 inches tall, 8.3-inch spout reach, 5.5-inch spout height. It also includes 23.6-inch hot and cold supply hoses with standard 3/8-inch female compression threads, making it compatible with most home kitchen plumbing. Pros. First, the build quality feels solid and durable. This faucet is clearly made to last. Second, the dual spray modes are genuinely useful for everyday kitchen tasks. Third, the pull-down hose retracts smoothly, which is something cheaper faucets often struggle with. And finally, installation is very DIY friendly. You can install this faucet in about 20 minutes without needing a professional plumber. Now for the honest downsides. If you're installing this in an RV, you'll need a separate 3/8-inch to 1/2-inch adapter, which is not included. Also, if your sink has extra mounting holes, you'll need to purchase a deck plate separately, as it's not included in the box. Overall, review. Overall, the GIMILI kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer offers excellent value for the price. It's a great choice for homeowners, renters, RV users, and even outdoor kitchens who want a modern-looking, durable, and functional faucet without overspending. If you want a faucet that's easy to install, reliable, and flexible enough for everyday kitchen use, this one is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the product link in the description below for the best current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.